Welcome to the episode second of Weekly Analysis X Fibonacci Swings, and today is 9th of March 2025, and we will break down some of the pairs. So last week was so fantastic, so let's do this week episode second. So see you on the computer screen. So hey guys, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings episode 2 of Weekly Analysis, and today I am Abubakar and again welcome you all. So today we will analyze the first DXY, the index of the dollar, then we will go to the major pairs, then we will go to the gold, then JPY pairs. So this would be like analysis for today. So yeah, the last week was quite fantastic. Every analysis well played out, and yeah, the everything was very good. So I posted analysis about the COT data on my LinkedIn and Instagram also. So you can also watch that. There are so many things right over going on the DXY. We can see that the commercial are in net long. Because when the commercial is in the net long, it provides the institutions the liquidity. So the commercial are in the net shorts, net long in the DXY. So it's providing the liquidity to the institution. So I'm expecting that DXY can reach up to like this area, 101, 103. If it break out of this area, then this area is something which I'm looking forward to. Either it can sweep out this liquidity, which is right over here, because liquidity present over here. So 199 the area which I'm looking forward to. You can also sweep that. So right now we're in this stage. So we can see that what is the happening is right over here. So the next quarter will be starting from 30, like from the 1st April. So we can see that how the 1st April will do, and this is the how it's going on. And yeah, the thing is where the gap present over in the 100 area, then I'm waiting for this liquidity to sweep and price to reach on the area of this, like in the area which I'm looking forward in this area. If price reaches to this area, then we can look forward to long, but we need to wait for some sort of confirmations because it's almost 2 weeks uh, pending to start a new quarter, and we will see the new quarter what it brings. Either it will be the accumulation or it will be the reversal to the upwards. But on my analysis and my bias, it would be like accumulation phase. Then we can expect price to go higher in the quarter 3 and quarter 4 of 2025. So let's go into the analysis again. So this was DXY. So the plan is quite clear. I will be waiting for this sweep. Then I will go into the daily time frame and see what's like most important thing which is right over here. The breaker is right over here in this area. We can see a breaker block which is right over here, 101 area. So first I would see the sweep of this liquidity at the price to go down, and if it breaks right over here, like it's consolidated if right over here, so then we can expect the next quarter to be manipulative or distribution or reversal, whatever it is. So I would say in the next quarter, but yeah, first liquidity area is this. Then if it broke, so these liquidity areas are like right over here. We can anticipate what the price can go. But yeah, the last quarter 3 and quarter 4 with the major price move when the price will move. So yeah, let's go to the euro dollar. It's the same like the opposite of the DXY. So the euro USD, the liquidity area is right over here. Same as the DXY, there is a liquidity area above, and the quarter about is about to end. So we are on the first 10 days have gone. Now 20 days are left. So we will see that how it goes. The first liquidity area is right over here, and the second liquidity area is right over here. So what I'm anticipating is price broke this liquidity area, it might can push towards a 1.12 area, then accumulate in the next quarter. Then it can come down. So I'm as of now, I am looking forward the daily analysis and see what can be the potential area for longs. So if we really want to do longs, I would prefer like this area is good for the longs. The area which I'm looking forward to is 1015. So if price came up to this area, then we can see a longs. It's also in a discount area. So if we measure it from here to here, this is the discount area. So price can likely to move, coming down, coming down, coming down, and it can go up. So the candle closing of the week is quite interesting. We have no week on the like daily time frame on the Friday. I'm anticipating the price it will come down. So it may inverse this, but this fill gap is more important because it is in a discount. So if it comes the OT area, so there is a breaker also. So it can go and it can move higher. So this week is quite interesting. So I have already opened a short in the Euro USD, which I have shared in the Discord group also. So this can be the happen. So if it comes to this area, so next liquidity target would be this and this. If it break also this area, so we can actually came down, but after breaking of this. So there are two possibilities. either it will break this area first, it will come to this area, then go. So this will be IRL to ERL context. So yeah, this consolidation area right over here, maybe it can push higher after this, because there's a no, like the big range is quite small. If we measure it from here to here, it's about 522 pips area. So what's about here the area? It's roughly about 250. That's not like, that's not big. It's a half of this area. It may can cover, but the momentum will be slowed down. Slowly the momentum will be slowed down, and we can see the price to going up. But yeah, as of now, there is a no thing which we can look forward to. Let's move on to GBP USD. It is a quite same, waiting for this liquidity area to sweep out. And if it really comes down, so this area, which is right over here on the daily time frame, this area, I'm looking forward to that price to be come up to this area. And then we can see the push context to the higher. This would be my analysis for the GBP USD. Although Euro USD is now quite clearer than the GBP USD, because the trend is quite clear in the GBP USD, and Euro USD is also now very like good. As of like you see the Euro USD last week, it was quite crumbled, so I did not rate that. So the anticipation is to price to come to this area, 1.27264. Then we can anticipate to price go higher. So 4 hour, it is like area which we can look forward to. So this trade was also shared in my group. So if you're not joining, the link is in the bio, you can also join that. So yeah, this area is quite good. This is a liquidity ending right over here, liquidity. So yeah, this area price can came. Let's measure the swing if it like is in a discount. Yeah, it is in the OTE area. So yeah, anticipation is to price to come this area and then go higher. It's the same analysis as of the GBP/USD analysis. We have the news coming up the next week. We will see that. Although the fundamental is posted on my Discord, so the link is in the bio. Sorry, description. You can also check out that. Now, talking about the XAUUSD, it's quite it's played very well. I was waiting that to price actually sweep out of this liquidity. So price we sweep out of this liquidity. This trade was also shared in the group. Price from the liquidity now move lower. So yeah, we can anticipate to price to come to this area. Then we can push the higher price. This is the anticipation for the current situation. So let's move on to the uh, GBP JPY, because JPY pairs it's now quite clearer than the like previous. So let's move on to that. So let's move on to the JPY pairs. GBP JPY first. It was analysis. I have given analysis about this pair also. I was anticipating the price to come lower. It did not sweep the liquidity, but it moved higher because it was following the same context as the USD JPY. So it come to this value gap area, which was mentioned in the previous video that it can move higher. So now anticipation is to where it is going. So there's a SMT with the USD JPY. So prices actually move up. If you really want to go for the trade, wait for this area, that is 190. You can trade from this area and then you can target highest, like this area you can target. And if you really want to make the big targets, so you can target these area also. So because this JPY pays a right consolidation from the very long time, but the breakouts will be so smooth in the JPY pairs as I have seen, and so coming up the quarter end, so also it can do higher, go higher also. And that like daily time frame, you can see that after January, where is the January 1st, so it has starting to fall from the January. Now it's in the March, so I'm anticipating the price to cover up this area. So yeah, it will close mostly as a consolidation. So after the next this move, we can anticipate the price to go higher about the 200. And also this is also for the GBP JPY. So let's go up to the USD JPY. It's quite clear analysis it was, and the weekly time frame gap. The same analysis which I make, that it will make this first lower high, then it will go to the down. So it go down to the weekly time frame. Now I am anticipating the price to in the next week when the price opens, it will open the gap. It will just cover up this area. So we can do that. Okay. So, and if you really want to take that trade, this area is good. I have taken the trade from this area. You can take the trade from 147752. I target the highest, this liquidity area, which is right over here, 149306. This is a liquidity where you can really target. 150, it's also the same area, but it's quite too long. But other than the short term target, you should be 149 and 150 for this week. And if you really want to swing trade, So 150 would be the potential targets for this week. And here is the end. I don't trade Nasdaq, to be honest. I'm just practicing it. It's an index quite, and there are so much things from the perspective of religious also, which I'm not practicing religion. If the CFDs are quite halal, so I would make the videos, but if it's not, so I don't want to make it. That currencies are good. It's on the gray shade area, so I just want to give the analysis of that. You can trade. And here is the end of this video, weekly analysis episode 2. Hope you say like it. The fundamentals and macros are I have just cleared you. And in the Discord, I will try to do a stream on like Thursday evening. I would like to do a stream on the Discord channel. So you can also join that. The link's in the description. So this is a week 2 ending of the analysis. So hope you see you on the next week and how this week goes. And until then, bye bye. Thank you.